The first thing I do when I have the conversation with the customer is point them to design guide, because if they do the design up front, they're going to end up helping save money on the back end, because they're going to go ahead and design for the process they're going to use. And you mentioned plastics, you mentioned different processes. I talked to a customer yesterday and it wasn't a fit for permanent mold, but able to use the design guides, the resources, and tell them, hey, it's better fit for a different process. And I think it's just one of the things I pride myself on, and BPI overall, is, hey, if we don't have the specific answer for you, we're going to point you in the right direction to be able to solve your problems.
Oh yeah, 100%. And I think a lot of times too, because like Mary said, permanent mold is not a well-known casting process for people who are not in the industry. So when they're searching for castings, they call us like, I think we may need you, but we're not sure. We're able to walk through with them kind of what it is that they're looking for. And we're able to say, okay, this does sound like it's a fit. Let me send you this design guide. Have your look over with your engineers, see if these parameters fall in with what you are willing to design your product around. And then we can work together to either help quote the part or make it for you.
Very, very useful in helping educate prospects, customers, even just people, that are just interested in castings, having this information out in the market.